Over 3,500 million years ago, our planet was radically different in almost every way from the one we live on today. Erupting volcanoes built up islands of lava and ash in the global seas. The atmosphere was filled with gases such as ammonia, methane, hydrogen, and steam. There was virtually no oxygen. In consequence, there was no ozone layer in the atmosphere. So ultraviolet rays, in strengths that would be lethal to us, bathed the young planet. The ultraviolet light, together with heat and electrical and radioactive discharges, brought about many chemical changes in the waters. Complex carbon compounds were formed, including amino acids, the building blocks of protein. For millions of years, the chemical soup thickened and changed. Possibly some compounds were added to it from outer space. Some carbon compounds aggregated in droplets, with a membrane through which other chemicals could pass. Eventually, unusually large molecules appeared which had extraordinary characteristics. They caused amino acids to form around them, and so built proteins, and they could also produce copies of themselves. Such a molecule, known as DNA, is at the center of every life cell. Its shape is a double spiral, linked by chemical units of just 4 kinds. Their arrangement acts as a code for the production of proteins, and a group of them in a section of DNA is called a gene. On occasion, the DNA unzips. Each half then attracts the correct chemical units and so forms 2 new identical molecules. When this first happened, primitive cells formed new cells and life on Earth had appeared. But sometimes there is a mistake, a mutation. These caused variations in the first cells, and natural selection sorted them out. Those that were as well or better suited to their environment survived, the rest died. And so, over tens of millions of years, a variety of bacteria-like organisms developed, thrived, and invaded new environments on Earth. Evolution had truly begun.